It's a splendid pleasure to join you this morning, walking among these massive trees and letting the green life of this old forest seep in through our pores, tasting the zinging scent of these needled beings and letting the soft percussion of our footfalls accompany the gurgling music of the stream. An old forest like this one, composed of so many different plants and small creatures, with its intricate labyrinth of roots drinking water from the soil, and its many balconies of needles and leaves drinking sunlight from the sky. An old forest like this is a complex kind of intelligence, a vast and many-branched mind or mood that we enter into when we leave our cars and begin to walk along its corridors of sunlight and shadow. I was pleased that we were invited at one point this morning to stop speaking and to slip entirely into the silence of this forest. But many of us were already silent, because there's something about these tall, soaring trunks that stuns us out of our talking, loosening the solid cocoon of words that we so often spin around ourselves. In the depths of such a forest as this, our immediate human concerns subside for a time, and we find ourselves listening and attuning our thoughts to the wider intelligence of the land itself. The grandeur of these towering trees humbles us, and our spines tingle with the awareness that we're walking among lives so much older than ourselves. Lives that have seen the passing of centuries and epochs, rooted beings that were already drinking the sunlight long before Europeans ever came to this continent, and that are still living today, listening to us here as we speak. It's a mysterious thing that whenever we let our words fall away and open our ears to the many-voiced silence of a forest or a mountain valley or a desert canyon, we discover that we are then better able to hear each other as well. Indeed, it's remarkable how exposure to wild nature and its complex patterns steadily tutors us in how to be with our fellow humans.